I am very uncomfortable with the energy that we've created in the studio today.
My messier than Jeffree Star's past closet that I have never cleaned in my entire 19.964 years of existence. Yes, that is an exact decimal. My birthday is July 28th. Thank you. Sup, it's Sydney, and today we're gonna be dealing with the beast. The beast that is my freaking closet. If you guys weren't aware, because you didn't watch one of my recent videos, Sam and I actually swapped rooms. Why? Because we felt like it. We finished all of our room stuff, thank God, except for our closets, because we've just been going into each other's rooms to get clothes, and honestly, I'm kind of over it. Ugh, when she has to walk like 10 yards.
Oh my god.
No, but mostly I'm just sick of coming in here to change and then Sam bursting in with her AirPods in, listening to her 100th TikTok in a row, and then it's just that awkward like,
when worlds collide.
Let's get it poppin'. I think it'll be easiest to just start with my clothes in drawers. The bottom drawer, I have made sweatshirts that aren't Penn State related. Yes, I really do have to sort my clothing into Penn State and non-Penn State related.
I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
These are all sweatshirts I know I wear and like because I brought them home from college, and typically my college clothing and what I bring back and forth is what I actually wear. So one drawer done. Down here we have our keep pile, our giveaway slash donate slash give to Sam as a nice little hand-me-down, and then finally our garbage. I went through a phase in high school where I actually used to like look nice. I made a Black Friday haul in this sweater. Got it from Forever 21.
Oh my god, yes queen. Met Gala who?
Go off. It was on sale, as we can clearly see why. Does this fit? I feel like I look like a stormtrooper in this. Ooh. Nope, no. Adios, muchacho. Bye. Absolutely not. Bye, sister. I guess bye. We have completed the 3 main drawers. Honestly, that wasn't that bad, but I wasn't really that worried for the clothing part of my closet. I was more concerned for the random shit I have in my closet. These bins are gonna be easy to transport. Ow! Oh my god, why do I keep injuring myself? Ugh. Next up, I'm gonna try and tackle this side of the random stuff. Look at how fat this folder is. So you think I'm not skinny? These are my calculus notes from freshman year. I honestly don't want to throw them out because like I spent too much freaking time. And also because if I ever need to know calculus in the future, which honestly I probably won't, I'm keeping them. It's nightmare fuel. Oh, Spanish. This is my Spanish award! I now present to you my only academic achievement, and it was in Spanish of all classes. I got this little homie for excelling in the Spanish basic language program. Buen trabajo. Gracias, El Pennsylvania State University.
We have been hoodwinked, bamboozled.
A national artifact. This ticket. This beautiful thing was the first Penn State game I ever went to as a student, and we went into friggin' overtime and I had a damn stroke, but we won. Wow! She was so young back then, and look what she is now.
Who are you?
Oh my god, it's one of those like flowy skater girl skirts, that phase that everyone went through in 2014 with the overly saturated YouTube videos, and everyone watched My Life is Ava and wanted to penny board and frickin' donate. Another YouTube phase, Infinity Scarf. Absolutely not. We will not be having any of that. This is so pure. I think this was from one of Bethany Moda's DIYs. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it was either Pinterest or Bethany Moda.
Same thing, bitch.
This can get thrown out, and also so can this, and yeah. Oh, what is this? S is for
Stop eating! That's why you're fat!
Oh, this used to be so cute. Dusty as hell. Too bad she wouldn't even cover up my vagina at this point, so Booty cheeks would be flopping the heck out of this one. Alright, what does this binder hold? Econ. I dropped this class. You already know your girl got halfway through chapter 7 and absolutely dipped after failing the first exam. But it's okay, we all make mistakes. And then I took it online over the summer, last summer, and I got an A. My teacher was just
the devil reincarnated, 666 in human form, the spawn of Satan,
the frickin' worst. Or I was just stupid. Honestly, it's a combination. Introductory Microeconomics Analysis and Policy, Econ 102, Fall 2018, Doctor.
Something I can't pronounce, Penn State University.
I found one of the diaries that I had from when I was obsessed with this book series. Dork Diaries. October 26th. You know what? I don't like middle school. It's boring. October 27th. My teachers seem to call on everyone but me. Ooh, pick me. Mindless dust particle. Oh, the little dust man. Ah! What's wrong with me? Anyway, today we started a new math book, just as weird as the last. Polygon, not a polygon. No, duh. We had a pep rally, which was pretty fun. I get to go to both because I'm in student council. Humble brag. And that's literally all I wrote in here. Okay? Go off, I guess. It smells so bad. This, my friends, was a DIY lip scrub that I did on my channel like 4 years ago. If you ended up with herpes or something, or mono, don't blame me. Do you remember when every Black Friday, every girl on YouTube would go shopping and then they'd be like, in their thumbnail with the Victoria's Secret free tote? Because I do, unfortunately. Did you guys have Pioneer Day in elementary school? Because we did. This is me from it. They gave us little costumes and we made bonnets and then we learned how to churn butter. I don't know why, but that was a thing that happened. Let me know down below if you were normal or if your school had Pioneer Day. If you guys didn't know, I actually had a channel before this one and I was in like 6th and 7th grade, but I deleted it because I got bullied. But I just found my idea list and let's just, best of 2012 tag. I apparently did that. Hawaii haul. Fun party makeup tutorial. For my fun party makeup tutorial, I used the Revlon custom palette, the pink and the fuchsia one, and the pink went here and the fuchsia went here, and then I said black liner, so that's really up to you if you want to include the black liner or not. James Charles is on the edge of his seat waiting for that one to drop, so while I start to tackle this, let's check in with Sam.
Bing boing bing bing boing bing boing.
Hola. Oh yes, this is my favorite blanket ever to exist in the entire world, and I'll tell you why. Dora! Dora! I dressed up as Dora last year for Halloween. Don't ask questions. I found a $1 There, you have a hat now. There you go. You look fashionable. Since the fan's on, your hat is like... If you don't know what's happening... I found a stink bug, and a stink bug went...
I have made a lot of progress, but I'm probably going to stop recording for a little bit while we actually move stuff because there's just so much stuff. Here we go, we're swapping sheets.
Hit that subscribe button so we can show up on your recommended page, and well, we show up on, I don't know.
This is my closet. Ooh, whoa, ooh, whoa, whoa, ooh, whoa, whoa, oh yeah. I'm really happy with the way that my closet turned out. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, I still have a lot of random stuff, but like, that's just the way it be.
This is me closet.
Alright, you didn't have to be so aggressive with it. Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yeah, Matthew must like
I did most of the work.
I found some sticks for our water slide.
That's knitting needles.
Anything else you want to say to the viewers?
I'm stupid.
If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And that's pretty much it, people. Peace.
Subscribe.
Peace.